See variables, constants, and literals. Variables. In programming, a variable is a container, storage area, to hold data. To indicate the storage area, each variable should be given a unique name, identifier. Variable names are just the symbolic representation of a memory location. For example, in player score equals 95. Here, player score is a variable of int type. Here, the variable is assigned an integer value 95. The value of a variable can be changed, hence the name variable. Rules for naming a variable. A variable name can only have letters, both uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and underscore. The first letter of a variable should be either a letter or an underscore. There is no rule on how long a variable name, identifier, can be. However, you may run into problems in some compilers if the variable name is longer than 31 characters. Here, the type of number variable is int. You cannot assign a floating point, decimal, value 5.5 to this variable. Also, you cannot redefine the data type of the variable to double. By the way, to store the decimal values in C, you need to declare its type to either double or float. Literals. Literals are data used for representing fixed values. They can be used directly in the code. For example, 1, 2.5, C etc. 1. Integers. An integer is a numeric literal associated with numbers, without any fractional or exponential part. There are three types of integer literals in C programming: decimal, base 10, octal, base 8, hexadecimal, base 16. For example, decimal, 0, -9, 22 etc. Octal, 021, 077, 033 etc. Hexadecimal, Xerox 7F, Xerox 2A, Xerox 521 etc. In C programming, octal starts with a 0, and hexadecimal starts with a 0x. 2. Floating point literals. A floating point literal is a numeric literal that is either a fractional form or an exponent form. For example, -2.0, 0.00000234, -0.22 e-5. Note, e-5 equals 10 power -5. 3. Characters. A character literal is created by enclosing a single character inside single quotation marks. Escape sequences in C language are listed below: \B for backspace, \F for form feed, \N for new line, \R for return, \T for horizontal tab, \V for vertical tab, 2 for backslash,
\apostrophe for single quotation mark, \quote for double quotation mark, \question mark for question mark, \0 for null character.
For example, \N is used for a new line. The backslash causes escape from the normal way the characters are handled by the compiler. 5. String literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quote marks. Some examples are listed below. Constants. If you want to define a variable whose value cannot be changed, you can use the const keyword. This will create a constant. For example, const double pi equals 3.14. Notice, we have added keyword const. Here, pi is a symbolic constant, its value cannot be changed. Did you find it useful? Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you guys in another amazing content.